In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Analytics for a website. Google Analytics is an essential tool for gaining insights into your website's performance, helping you understand visitor behavior, track their actions, and ultimately make data-driven decisions to improve your site. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Analytics homepage. You can easily find this by navigating to Analytics tools and solutions on the Google platform. Here you'll find a plethora of information about how Google Analytics can benefit your business, but today we'll focus on gaining access to your analytics. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign into Analytics button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with your website's analytics if you have multiple accounts. This is essential to ensure you're accessing the correct data. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics home. This page serves as your main dashboard, providing a snapshot of your website's performance metrics. From here, you can explore various reports, but before diving into specifics, let's configure some basic settings to align analytics with your objectives. To tailor the settings to your needs, click on the Settings gear icon, typically found in the lower left corner of the Google Analytics homepage. This section contains various options that enable you to customize your analytics environment according to your website's unique requirements. Now, from the Settings menu, navigate to the Setup Assistant. The Setup Assistant is a guided feature designed to help you configure your account effectively if you're setting up for the first time. However, even if you're familiar with Google Analytics, it's worth checking this section to ensure everything is optimally set up. This feature will guide you through key settings and options, offering tips and suggestions along the way. Remember, each business has unique goals and target metrics, so take the time to explore what specific data is most valuable for your decision-making processes. For example, if you're running an e-commerce site, you might want to focus on conversion rates and product performance. Alternatively, a blog might prioritize visitor engagement and content effectiveness. And there you have it, a simple but comprehensive guide to accessing Google Analytics for your website. By following these steps, you open the door to valuable insights that can drive informed decisions and ultimately enhance the effectiveness of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more practical guides like this one. Happy analyzing!